Sony has just launched its new INZONE H9 II, a headset designed for gamers. The significant innovation of this headset is that even though it targets gaming, it maintains excellent audio quality. To achieve this, Sony has incorporated the drivers from its renowned high-end music headphones, the WH-1000M6. However, besides this noticeable improvement in sound quality, the new INZONE H9 II headphones feature a lighter design. They include virtual surround sound with 7.1 channels and 360 reality audio. Additionally, they offer active noise cancellation and provide a transparency mode. So these are headphones designed to provide you with a comprehensive experience. In addition to being focused on gaming, they offer triple connectivity. First, there's an auxiliary cable to ensure completely latency-free audio. Furthermore, they include Bluetooth connectivity. Additionally, you'll find Wi-Fi connectivity with a frequency of 2.4 GHz made possible through a small USB adapter C. This makes them compatible with a variety of devices such as PCs, smartphones, and Nintendo Switch 2, Xbox Series X, and many more devices. The battery lasts up to 30 hours, and they offer special sound profiles. For games like Valorant or Apex Legends, made with the esports team Fnatic, the global price is $349, but prices vary by region. Would you pay $349 for a gaming headset promising excellent audio?